Alright, y'all. I scored another display case at the flea market a couple days ago. Well, yesterday actually. Pretty good. I don't know what size it is. What's it, about 12 by 18 maybe? I don't know. But we're gonna start another frame soon. Got a few from the Arrowhead Patch I need to frame. Plus what I found lately that I ain't showed y'all. Awesome. Alright everybody. Finally getting a little rain. Anyway, I got my pot here. Get rained on here. See how much it got on it there. Yeah, looks probably just a little better than an inch. So that old split tobacco stick, I've been meaning to make a walking stick out of that. That knot hole in it, I really like it. Anyway, I'm gonna go hit the Arrowhead Patch. So I don't know if I'm gonna walk around in there or not, but I'm gonna go around the edge of it, see if I can spot something for later. Yeah, hey, appreciate them rain dances y'all been doing. Later. Hey y'all, leaves are turning here in Kentucky. Anyway, it's raining. It's rained about an inch overnight and this morning, but it ain't real. I don't reckon we got any really hard rain, but we've had a good steady rain for a long time. Last night and this morning. Thought I'd hit the Arrowhead Patch. It's kind of muddy, but first artifact I seen today. I'm thinking the tips probably broke off of it, like a corner notch. Anyway, it's kind of hard. I got trying to hold the umbrella with my neck. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, well, it's got a big old long ear on that side, don't it? Yeah, it's just snapped off. Oh. My umbrella about to fall. That's got a pretty long ear on it there. I didn't bring my spray bottle out here with me. But hey, that's pretty nice. Just wish it was all there. But I'm gonna hunt around a little more, put this in my pocket. That's pretty though. I'll clean it up later. See y'all. Maybe I'll find some more. Alright. I see something down here that's got a little potential. Not sure. Right on the edge of a cot there. Looks like it might be one. We're gonna see. We're gonna see anyway. Oh man. Sorry I'm shaking around. Oh. Let's shoot. There went my umbrella. I think I'll just let her go down there like that. Can't hardly hold the phone and the umbrella. There it is right there. Let's see. Yep, I think that's, man, that's nice. That burnt tip's broke. Yeah, it's real nice. Kind of dark out here today, so it's got a broken tip on it. That's probably a, I don't know, it may have been a drill. It's so small, but it may just be a used up blade too, point, whatever. Yeah, we get this stuff washed up. I think I got a spray bottle over in the truck. I might spray them off when I get done. Pretty cool. All right, still in the patch here. But I see something down here. Looks like it might have a notch on the corner of it here. Not sure. Figured I'd get the camera out just in case. Nah, I think it's just a middle of one. Pretty thin though. Yeah, it could be. It might be ears there. Just the base broke and the top broke. Anyway, it's dirty. See if we can find a whole one. What do you say? Later, y'all. Appreciate you. And I see something else worked, I think. Looks like something there. Oh. Pretty good size. Oh, man. Look at there. What a tip. Pretty. Pretty tip. Real pretty tip. I just picked this up off the ground though. Just it looks like a base, little bitty base. Not very big at all. But thought I'd show it to you. Tiny little thing. There it is. That's what it looks like anyway. It could just be something else, but it looks like a work base to me. We'll keep looking. Alright, I think I see another one down here. That's close to trucks. I figured I'd get the spray bottle. Oh yeah. That tip broke. That burn, it's pretty though. Looks about like a lot of them I've been finding in here, base wise. That's pretty. Give one more spray. Oh yeah. It's got a tip ding on it. Ain't too much of it though. Most of it's there. I'll probably still put it in a case. Put it in the, you know, the field case. The kind of try to put all of them in here that's mostly there, you know. Put them in that case that came from here. Just kind of show, you know, what I mean. I haven't been putting the halves and all that in there. Just the ones that's mostly whole. Pretty cool. Got a little twist to it. Awesome. Awesome. See if we can find some more. And there's another little work piece. Probably a base or the tip of a blunt or something. If I was guessing, it's probably a little base. I'll take it. I like finding all these little things here. Never know one of them might complete one, you know. Alright, I flipped another little piece up. Looks like a piece of a drill. Yeah, real nice little piece of a drill. Just a midsection. Real pretty though. Shoot, yeah. I ain't finding a whole lot of hole points today, but I'm finding a lot of history. Good for me. Hope it's good for y'all. Later. Alright, y'all. That's all I got left. Just that little piece there to the truck. Now I'll be done. I figured I done found all I was gonna find. But I think I finally found a whole one for y'all. I think. I think it's a little blunted off. I think it's just a little blunted off stem's what I think. Oh heck yeah, let me change hands here. Oh. Shoot, yeah, ain't that pretty? That's a pretty little blunt right there. Just a big old long blunted off stem's what it looks like to me. Heck yeah. Well, it ain't a whole arrowhead, but it's a whole artifact, and I hope y'all had fun with me today out here on this old rainy day. Been waiting on rain a long time. Got about an inch. I think it must have been slow rain. But, you know, we might find some more if it rains a little harder. I'm happy for it. Blessed to find all these artifacts. And I sure do appreciate all y'all. Get all this stuff cleaned up. Let's see what we got. Hey, appreciate y'all. All the new subscribers, old subscribers, even y'all that ain't subscribed. I appreciate every view I can get. Comment, if whatever, you know, it all helps. Helps the channel out. Appreciate y'all. Just flip that now there. A little broke up, but pretty thin. Would have been a nice one. Rain finally stopped. This is the next day. Thought I'd come over here for a minute, but I don't know if I got enough clothes or not. I'm kind of cold. Windy. Pretty cool though. Later. Alright, y'all. I got the Arrowhead case started, you know, stuff I hadn't put in the case yet. Some of it's real good stuff, some of it ain't. But it's all cool. Hey, there's that drill I put back together, glued back together. Broke about in half. Ain't that awesome? Anyway, here's the stuff I found in this video in this little circle right here. And all these chunks. Pretty cool. Two real good ones there. Just both got the tips busted off of them. Piece of a drill. Man, ain't this sweet? What air on that? Probably had one over there too, just broke. I think that's probably a drill. Worked down into a drill probably. Who knows though? I don't know everything. Don't know much at all, to tell you the truth. Nice blunt there I found, man. That's the only whole thing I found. They're pretty working on that. My boys playing basketball go on the door. Playing basketball, making a bunch of racket. Killer tip. Anyway, bunch of cool things. Just nothing really awesome except for that. It's all awesome, but you know, everybody likes a whole piece, right? But hey, I'm doing the best I can, sharing my stuff with y'all. I hope y'all appreciate it and enjoy it. Good luck to y'all. Appreciate every one of you. Later.